Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X, why it's poised for success. If you want to catch daily Pundi X videos, daily crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. But right here, I want to start with kind of like some bonus content real quick. It's going to be very short, very quickly. It's just to show that the XPOS device is going to be showcased at the Blockchain African Ladies Conference in Lagos in 2019. Just pretty cool, you know, getting more exposure out there and for a good cause. And nonetheless, that pretty much does it for this. Just a quick bonus content. Let's get down to the good stuff. We will first begin by talking about what I like to call the blockchain city. This will be a futuristic city in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It will be using the XPOS device for its transactions at clinics, restaurants, and so on. Pundi X has also partnered recently with Quantum Energy Asset Management to grow the Function X ecosystem. And guys, this is one of the main reasons, and one of the reasons why I truly believe in Function X, and why I'm personally very bullish on the Function X ecosystem. Because they already have partnerships working in their favor, even though they're still not completely out yet. So that just comes to show, you know, definitely has potential. And nonetheless, Pundi X has also partnered with Hara. Hara is an Indonesian company devoted to revolutionizing global agriculture by helping improve productivity. As well as Dubai will be offering digital payments via Pundi X technology. The team is working with Dubai's official government credit bureau and some regional distribution partners, eBok and Loyalty. They have also deployed around 1,000 XPOS devices in Brazil, as the team secured partnership with the country's head of OTC services provider. And this video is just kind of showing you guys what Pundi X is doing, kind of like their partnerships, the exposure they're getting, as well as to show you guys that they're definitely working hard to improve NPXS, and they're also working hard on making Function X great. So as you can see, I had some people asked me if I believe that just because Function X came, if NPXS was going to go away completely. I'm not saying that it could never happen and it's not a possibility, but to my understanding at the moment, the Pundi X team is definitely working hard to make both NPXS and Function X more successful than they are today, and they're definitely pushing for both of these projects to do very well. So the answer to that question is they're working on both, then they're not planning on leaving NPXS behind by any means, because as you can see, the XPOS is definitely being deployed more and more as we speak. Just like at the 1,000 in Brazil, it's probably more by now. And the blockchain city is actually supposed to have around 1,000 XPOS devices by 2021, or maybe even earlier. So as you can see, they're definitely putting numbers out there, and this is definitely going to help the NPXS ecosystem, as well as with the token swap for the Function X will also burn the tokens of NPXS, which that's actually going to be very, very great moving forward for NPXS as a whole. But anyways, that pretty much covers this video. If you guys have any comments, any suggestions, anything you want to see covered in my next video, just leave that in the comments below, and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one.